Hello there, my name is Marnie Madden, and today I wanted to share with you an inexpensive, and highly effective face mask, specifically designed for mature skin. As we age, our skin needs extra care and attention to maintain its health and vitality. That's why I've personally created this amazing face mask. It addresses the specific needs of mature skin. This face mask contains powerful ingredients like hyaluronic acid, collagen, and antioxidants work together to hydrate, firm, and rejuvenate the skin. It also helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles and age spots, giving you more youthful and radiant complexion. Plus, it's suitable for all skin types, so everyone can benefit from its incredible results. I truly believe in the power of this face mask, and I want to share with you. So if you're ready to take your skincare to the next level, follow me and make sure to click my like button. Experience the transformation of effects this amazing product will give. And it's very simple. It has 3 ingredients. So if you're looking for something inexpensive and something to help define wrinkles as you get older, or if you're just wanting to hydrate your skin, here it is. It has cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and I'm going to boil some bay leaves. So I used 3 tablespoons of water from the bay leaves, and aloe vera, a couple tablespoons of pure aloe vera. And hopefully you don't have allergies, but this is what I'm trying and doing. So just mix it all together and then put it on, and then we'll see after. I'm going to do this for 7 days and then come back and show you the results. And you can use it on your neck as well. And leave it for like 15 minutes and then wash off. And we'll see the results. Thanks.